Bars is what we deal with up here. Loaded Lexus in the building. Choking. Focus. Harder. Choking.
Everything healthy. Case I got to bring it to a GT. Might get the Shelby. And Mustang, know you felt me.
That's all good. Cut nice, big and fluffy. Got me drooling. Definitely a fish.
Glazed shrimp. So what you think?
Food's good, man. The spicy beef shrimp are off the hook. Those are definitely sweet plantains, but sometimes you'll go somewhere, ask sweet plantains and not sweet. I asked the young lady, and she said she would make sure she would find a sweet one for me, and she did an awesome job. Macaroni and cheese is good. But overall, like Ab said, man, definitely a good spot to come through. Definitely get your bang for your buck here. They also give out student discounts, a military discount. So if you're a student, military, they're gonna make sure they take care of you. If you want to have a party and you like the food, they cater as well. So once again, I recommend it. Food is good. I thoroughly enjoy it.
So I'm checking out Mama G's, Dover, Delaware, right up the street from the historical black Delaware state. So my thing, Mama G's is good. I mean, can't go wrong if you're in Dover, coming down south towards Rehoboth, coming to Del State to visit somebody. Check it out. Mama G's, official tissue.
Good bang for your buck.
Thumbs up. So there you have it, another one in the book, Mama G's, Dover, Delaware. Come check them out. African American owned business. You heard it from me, you heard it from Rashad. It's done, baby. So let's continue this journey of eating, cooking, carry on, people, and check out our social media, PhillyJAWNmerch.com. Check out PhillyJAWN.net, the podcast. Philly JAWN, the podcast group on Facebook. One Philly JAWN Instagram. And DJAWN on TikTok. That's it. We out. Bam.
Ill water, fire in my heart, but the earth keep getting cold.